Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to lock and unlock apps on your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Let's get started. To begin, go to your home screen. Now find the app you want to lock. In this example, we are going to use Instagram. Tap and hold the app icon until the quick action menu appears. From the menu, tap on Require Face ID. If you're using Touch ID or a passcode, the option will appear based on your device settings. Tap on Require Face ID again and authenticate using your passcode or whatever security method you have set up on your iPhone. Please note, some built-in apps like Calculator, Camera, Clock, Contacts, Find My, Maps, Shortcuts, and Settings cannot be locked. Now, to open a locked app, go to your home screen again. Find the app you want to open and tap it. Your iPhone will ask you to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before granting access. And just like that, you're inside the app. If you ever want to remove the lock, tap and hold the app icon again. From the menu, select Don't Require Face ID. Your iPhone will ask you to authenticate once more using Face ID or your passcode. And after that, the app will be unlocked permanently. And that's it. Now you know how to lock and unlock apps on your iPhone for extra privacy and security.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.